A new study has tested a wider range of materials and looked at their effectiveness in filtering out virus-sized particles at high speeds, comparable to coughing or heavy breathing. A number of studies so far have looked into the efficacy of masks made of various materials in keeping out airborne particles that may be carrying the novel coronavirus. Most of them, however, have only looked at a small selection of fabrics and when the wearer is breathing normally, when particles are expelled at lower speeds. Now, a new study has now tested a wider range of materials from t-shirts and socks to jeans and vacuum bags and looked at their effectiveness in filtering out virus-sized particles 0.02 to 0.1 micrometer at high speeds comparable to coughing or heavy breathing. It also tested N95 and surgical masks. The study by researchers from the University of Cambridge and Northwestern University is published in BMJ Open. Most of the fabrics commonly used for non-clinical masks are effective at filtering ultrafine particles. N95 masks were highly effective. A reusable, high-efficiency particulate air vacuum bag, in fact, exceeded the N95 performance in some respects. Homemade masks are more effective when made of multiple layers of fabric. When they incorporated interfacing, their performance improved significantly, but this improvement also made them more difficult to breathe. The researchers also studied the performance of different fabrics when damp and after they had gone through a washing and drying cycle. The fabrics worked well while damp and worked sufficiently after one laundry cycle. But previous studies have shown that repeated washing degrades the fabrics, and the new study cautions that masks should not be reused indefinitely. The study finds a mask which blocks particles really well but restricts your breathing isn't an effective mask. Denim, for example, was quite effective at blocking particles, but it's difficult to breathe through, so it's probably not a good idea to make a mask out of an old pair of jeans. N95 masks are much easier to breathe through any fabric combinations with similar levels of filtration. The researchers acknowledge several limitations. They did not look at the role which fit plays in filtering particles. In addition, many viruses are carried on droplets larger than those looked at in the current study. However, the study said that the results may be useful for mask makers.